Hey guys, so remember from last video when I broke my cube? Yeah, I'm gonna be putting it back together. Help me. So, what we're gonna do is we're going to start with this piece. Now, I don't know why this piece, I just picked it up. It is the green and orange piece. We need this cap, we need to put it on, and basically, we're just gonna do that a lot. So if this video is long, I don't care. It's great for watch time and ads, which is fun. So we've got the first piece. Now I'm gonna be showing you each step of the way, especially if your little brother or sister break your cubes. This is how you do it. You gotta reassemble it. So now you've got these. This is the orange and green. I mean white, because I'm good at colors. I'm not colorblind, no matter how much you think I am. I'm not. So let's hope this is not longer than the video already was. So now that we've put in a lot of these edge pieces, we need to put in a corner piece. So we're going to take this corner piece and put it in like that. Now, once we've done that, we're going to put in we're going to make the first corner, the first block. So we're going to find the yellow and the orange ones, and we're going to put it in, but we need the caps. This is already longer than the video by the time this was at. Yeah. So, got our first block. Now, we have not completed the sledgehammer yet. Sledgehammer is my favorite part. So, we've got this one, which goes there. We don't want that. The orange, green, and white one goes here. So we need the green and white one, which is right here. We need to put on the cap. Looking very closely at that time. It's right there. So we have done the sledgehammer. And let me show you what the sledgehammer is. It's this, where you have these two little bits left. So basically you can do this, and it's like a sledgehammer, because it whacks the camera. So we've got another piece, which is the white and red piece. Okay, we're doing good so far. Now we need this piece, which is not needed, but we'll put it in anyway. Now sometimes you need to rotate the pieces for it to line up right. This one doesn't, so you need to rotate. Put it back in sometimes, rotate back, keep rotating, then you might do it. So now we need the yellow and red one, which is right here, which is intact. Now, this bit we're gonna have to do by putting the red and green one. The Christmas one, which I think was the one that was broken, but it's not. That one is actually the orange and yellow one, which we have not done yet. So, yeah, we have done that. Yeah, I'm good at things. And we're 1/3 of the way there, and look, we're about the time that our other video was. 2/3. Wow, it's nice. So I can math. Now we need to get this piece, just push it in, turn it, boom, first chunk. Now, we got this little blue piece and this little wheel, which I made a cube about this, except it didn't work as a 3x3x2 because that and that, and it would just fall over all over the place. So like it was decided to not. And look, I already broke it. Fun. How do you reassemble this? So we got the green and red, and we're already past the time. That's fun. Now we need this one. Did it! Now we're back where we started. So we need this piece, which needs a cap. So you gotta put it on. Just like this. This is gonna be my longest video. I don't know why I'm making it. I was just like, hey, let's do that. And I would be doing this live, but I didn't know how long it would take, and I'm already almost done. So, yeah. Because my live streams are a minimum of 7 minutes. And if you ask in the comments for me to do a live stream, I will eventually. Okay, also my upload schedule, just for you wondering, every 6 days I'll release 6 videos. 1 for each day, because I'm like that. And I have school. Yeah. Also because I'm lazy. So, now, the last 3 pieces, let's put it together. So, you need to attach. And then we need to attach, and this is gonna be the final pieces. Now, did it. And the final piece. That is how you solve a... Wait, that's not how you put it back together. Oh, that is how you put back together a 3x3. Or in other words, a Rubik's Cube.